Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get YouTube desktop mode on Android. First of all, open any browser, navigate to the home page of YouTube. There are two easy ways to do this. You can either tap the YouTube shortcut on your browser's home screen if it's there, or you can manually type in youtube.com into the address bar at the top of your browser. This will bring you to YouTube's mobile site by default. Here tap on three dots available at the top right corner. A variety of options will appear. Tap on the option Desktop Site. The page will automatically reload and you will see that the desktop display of YouTube will be shown on screen. In case it doesn't, you can always tap the refresh button to reload the page manually. Now you will notice that the desktop version of YouTube is displayed just as if you were on a computer, and this is how you can get YouTube desktop mode on Android.